This 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 26 FKBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleep 6, awning, external shower, leveling jacks, skylight, spare tire kit, oven, CO detector, DVD player, auxiliary battery, LP detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 26 FKBS is 6,836 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.